discover the marvelous wonders of the humble lemon. This little yellow fruit holds numerous extraordinary uses that may surprise you. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you start your day with a refreshing glass of warm lemon water? Well, get ready to be impressed, as the effects will astound you in less than a month. Brace yourself for an ultimate list of 10 remarkable health and beauty benefits that lemon water offers. Plus, be prepared for number 10, which is bound to make you say wow and revolutionize your morning routine forever. And that's just the beginning. Lemon water also works wonders for improving your digestive health. As a bonus to you for watching our video all the way through, we have included a wonderful bonus recipe at the end of our video presentation. 10 unbelievable benefits of lemons, the secret to a healthier you. 1. Improves your digestive health. The healthy digestive system is often referred to as the cornerstone of good health. It's no surprise that lemons, being a primary source of pectin fiber, play a crucial role in maintaining good digestive health. In fact, starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can act as a kickstart for your digestive system, reminding it to eliminate accumulated waste from the previous day. Not only that, but lemons also help in maintaining the proper balance of minerals in your body. With all these benefits, it's clear why lemons are considered a powerful addition to your diet. 2. Keeps the right balance of minerals. Before the rise of energy drinks, rehydration salts and glucose electrolyte solutions flooded the market. However, lemon water emerged as a highly efficient dehydration treatment, helping to replenish essential minerals such as sodium, potassium, and chloride lost through sweat during exercise. Additionally, drinking water alone can rehydrate you, but the inclusion of a few slices of lemon in your water can expedite the process of rebalancing the minerals in your body. Moreover, did you know that lemon water can also improve your eyesight? It's true. 3. Improves your sight. As a child, you were likely told that eating carrots improves night vision. Well, here's an interesting fact. Lemons, a citrus fruit packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, have a role to play as well. The combination of these nutrients creates a protective effect against cataracts and macular degeneration. And that's not all. Lemon water can be a refreshing and rejuvenating drink. Additionally, lemons can contribute to soft, smooth skin. So, why not give lemon water a try? It's not only beneficial for your health, but also adds a delightful touch to your routine. 4. Makes your skin soft. Drinking plenty of water to stay hydrated is a no-brainer for maintaining healthy skin, but have you considered adding lemon to your water? By turning water into lemon water, you can unlock supercharged benefits for your skin. Lemons contain powerful antioxidants that can help decrease blemishes, wrinkles, and promote smoother, healthier-looking skin. Additionally, lemons offer detoxifying benefits that support your liver's function. In fact, lemons can be your liver's best friend. Taking care of your liver is crucial for overall health, and drinking lemon water can help enhance liver function while flushing out toxins. The citric acid found in lemons also aids in dispelling harmful bacteria from your body. Remember, your body is the only one you have, so make the most of it by incorporating lemon water into your routine. 5. Lemons are rich in potassium. Lemons, besides being a rich source of vitamin C, are also surprisingly abundant in potassium. While bananas are often associated with this essential mineral, lemons shouldn't be overlooked. In fact, lemons rank third in terms of their potassium content, making them an excellent addition to your diet. The importance of potassium is often underrated, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal heart, brain, kidney, and muscular function. To ensure that your body functions at its best, consider incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. Remember, as the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but in this case, 7 lemons a day will do the trick. 6. A lemon a day keeps the doctor away. Consuming lemon water daily has been associated with a reduced frequency of colds. This is due to the high vitamin C content, which acts as a powerful defense against viral infections and boosts the immune system. Additionally, lemons are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, making them a great ally in combating inflammation. 7. It's an inflammation buster. Inflammation plays a key role in your body's natural response to energy. However, chronic inflammation has been associated with serious illnesses. Interestingly, excess acidity in the body has been linked to inflammation. By consuming lemon water, you can help reduce your body's acidity levels and assist in removing harmful uric acid, which may cause inflammation. This not only helps in maintaining a perfect pH balance, but also promotes overall well-being. 8. It maintains pH perfection. Maintaining pH perfection is crucial. Did you know that lemons, despite their acidic nature, have an alkalizing effect on body tissue once they are absorbed into the bloodstream? This is a good thing because we need acid to aid in digestion. However, it is important to balance our body's pH levels since excessive acidity can lead to various diseases, ranging from high cholesterol to diabetes. Additionally, lemon water also boosts your metabolism. So, it's not only beneficial but also adds a refreshing twist to your routine. 9. It boosts your metabolism. Lemon water can be a perfect accompaniment to a natural weight loss journey if you're looking to change your diet and lifestyle. Lemons contain pectin fiber, which can help increase your metabolism and reduce hunger cravings. Additionally, making lemon water a part of your routine could be a healthy alternative to coffee. 10. You will step away from the coffee. Many of us rely on our morning coffee to give us a boost of energy, making us feel super productive. However, around 10:30 a.m., the mid-morning slump sets in. What if I told you there's a simple switch you can make? Instead of your usual coffee, try replacing it with a cup of warm lemon water for just 2 weeks. The results will amaze you. You'll feel more alert, refreshed, and healthier. Trust me, once you experience the benefits, you won't want to go back to your old caffeinated drink. By the way, if you haven't started drinking lemon water yet, why not go to the kitchen and make a glass of this magical drink right now? Bonus recipe: introducing the honey lemon ginger jar, your natural solution for cold and flu relief. Enjoy the benefits of this natural remedy that combines the soothing properties of honey, lemon, and ginger. To create a soothing remedy for cold and flu symptoms, you will need 3 natural ingredients: honey, lemon, and ginger. Here's what you'll need and how to make it. Ingredients: high quality, preferably local, honey 1 bottle, 2 unwaxed lemons, fresh ginger about a 1-inch piece, glass jar 500 milliliters or 16 ounces. Instructions: 1. Start by slicing the lemons, ensuring to remove the seeds to avoid them ending up in the jar. 2. Slice the ginger as well. If you enjoy the taste of ginger, feel free to use more than a 1-inch piece. 3. Once the ingredients are prepped, place them in the glass jar. To create this delicious lemon ginger honey infusion, follow these simple steps. Start by slicing the lemons into thin slices. Layer the lemon slices, ginger, and honey alternately in a jar until it is completely filled. Close the jar with a lid and refrigerate for at least 12 hours to allow the flavors to blend together. When you are ready to enjoy, open the jar and give it a gentle stir to mix the lemon ginger juice with the honey. Alternatively, you can scoop a spoonful of the honey and juice mixture into a cup of warm water. This tasty and refreshing drink is perfect for enjoying anytime. Remember to exercise caution when serving hot beverages to children, ensuring that the water is lukewarm to prevent burns. Feel free to adjust the temperature to your preference as an adult. We want to clarify that although we are not medical professionals, this video aims to provide valuable information. It is important to note that the content presented here does not constitute medical advice. Our goal is to share useful insights to help you enhance your overall health and quality of life. We appreciate your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments section below. It's important to also note that while natural remedies are helpful, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. In addition, before starting any new diet or trying out any new remedies to alleviate any health issues or concerns, it is important to check with your doctor or medical professional first. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with someone that it could help. Then please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment saying that you had subscribed, and we will try to reply as soon as we can. Thank you again for watching. Please check in regularly for more need-to-know natural remedies.